Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this fireworks like text effect in the CapCut mobile. So you can start by opening your video in CapCut and then just go to text and then write the text that you want. So in here, I'm going to just write fireworks text. Okay, you can use the style or font that you like. So I'm going to just change the font into, let's try this fog text effect, and after a text font and after that you can go to animation, click on the loop category and then find the fireworks animation. So just scroll down till you find the fireworks. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the text effect, and after that you can adjust the how fast or slow you want the fireworks effect to apply to the text. I'm going to go with 0.6 seconds, and here don't forget to adjust the duration of the text. And this is the fireworks effect on the text. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.